This is a parallax effect that you could create from taking a still photo like this and turning it into this using Photoshop and After Effects. Let me show you how. I'm going to pull the photo into Photoshop, remove that background, and for this parallax effect to work, I need to start creating layers. So I'm going to recreate a backdrop by using a gradient radial fill. Since the packaging for this product had watermelon slices on that, I'm going to look up a watermelon slice image and pull that into Photoshop. I just need one watermelon slice, so I'm going to copy one, put it into its own layer, and delete the rest. Now I'm going to copy over that one slice 2 more times so I could create a foreground and a background with the product in the middle. Even though I'm setting up the scene in here, I'm still going to be able to move around the layers once I have it in After Effects. I'm going to save out my Photoshop file and drag and drop that into After Effects. I'm going to make sure that I import it as composition, retain layer size. I open up the composition, I could see all my layers made it through. Now I could add a camera layer so I could zoom in and zoom out of the scene. Turn on the 3D for each layer by checking this box, and in my viewer panel on the drop down on the bottom right corner, I'll click on 2 views. The background isn't showing in custom views, so I go into the background composition and turn on the 3D in there. Now I need to start creating a lot of distance between the objects, so I'm going to go to transform and position and start adjusting the Z position. In custom view 1, you can see how forward that front watermelon slice is moving. Now I can start adding all the keyframes from where I want the Z position to start and where I want it to end. Now I'll start adding in some zoom keyframes on the camera layer for that slow zoom in effect. And now you know how to do this parallax effect for your next project.